And he just stabs it.
The right size too.
That's what I was talking to him about. Like, he knows what size he can eat.
Not a dummy.
I can't believe his system's already full of that one already. He's eating another whole fish. That's huge for his size, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a big one. I'd like to see this. And he's still alive, so he's going to be flopping in his neck. There you go.
Gonna knock him out.
That's his most work. I think catching it's easy for him. It's getting the...
Get him off.
Wow.
I think he's close. I think he knows he's close.
Oh, he knows. There it is.
You're getting ready to twist him around. Come on, get him positioned, dude. That's crazy.
Oh.
Oh.
That one
That
could
is-
be too big.
Oh my gosh, I think he might decide he's bit off more than he can chew.
No.
Oh my gosh, how
bet
does...
he gets it.
Oh my god, that is freaking crazy.
And you know how sharp those fins are?
I
on his
have
back?
never seen anything
I
like
know.
that in
Those
all
are
my
so
life.
Flipping around his neck.
Oh, look at him moving around. Oh gosh. That is crazy. That is crazy. Look at that.
Wow. That's about all you can say is wow.
Yeah, right?
I mean, is there any other...
Wow.
And those fins, man. You've had them fin you before.
Those barbs
Those
will
are...
get you. You got to, like, lay them down.